A lot of cleaning routines start with making your bed. Not Dana K. White's cleaning routine. She said, and as we all know, you can sleep in an unmade bed. However, there are some things in your house you just can't ignore. Dana K. White developed her cleaning routine by looking at the problems in her house that drove her the craziest and then solved those problems. The lady is a genius. Dana K. White's daily cleaning routine has 4 daily tasks. Daily task number 1, doing the dishes. Dana K. White talks about doing the dishes every single day. So if you have a dishwasher, that means loading and running the dishwasher every single day. If you don't have a dishwasher, you're the dishwasher. And they should still be done every single day. The reason why she emphasizes this as being a daily task is because dishes math. If you don't know what dishes math is, 1 day of dishes is easy to do. 2 or 3 days of dishes is a lot more challenging to wrap your mind around and to get yourself to do. So implementing this into your daily routine is very important on making it an easy task that is less likely for you to avoid. Doing the dishes daily also means that the pots and pans will also fit in the dishwasher. And also, when you're running your dishwasher daily, you're more likely to look around your house for a random cup or bowl or misplaced dish in another room before you start running the dishwasher. And if you're having a hard time doing dishes daily, one thing that you can do before you start your daily dishes is set a timer and time yourself. It's a lot easier to start a task knowing it's only going to take you 4 to 5 minutes versus avoiding the task and not really having a realistic expectation of how long it's going to take. This also ties back into the dishes math. Dishes are a lot easier to do when they're done daily. Daily task number 2, sweep the kitchen daily. And when I say sweep the kitchen, really sweep the kitchen. If there's a case of water on the floor, or if there's some groceries that haven't been put away, pick them up and sweep the floor. This prevents clutter from gathering around in your kitchen, and it also keeps your kitchen floor crumb-free. Sweeping your kitchen daily will open your eyes to clutter that could gather if you weren't sweeping it daily. And on day 1 of implementing this as your daily task, you might spend more time picking up the case of water or the groceries that weren't put away. But by the time you're on day 2 or 3 or 4, this is a lot less daunting of a task because hopefully all of those cluttered items have already been picked up, and sweeping the kitchen floor will be an easy, simple task to implement into your daily routine. Daily task number 3, check the bathroom for clutter. Just like sweeping the kitchen, this can be a real reality check. You know how things will hang out on the bathroom counter for way too long just because they haven't been put away? On the first day of implementing this into your daily routine, it might take longer, but on day 2 or 3, it's going to become easier. And it's going to open your eyes to things that regularly get cluttered and making sure they have a home. Now, when you're checking the bathroom for clutter, do not open the drawers. Do not look in any closets where your linens are kept or anything like that. Just look at the main surfaces in your bathroom. This is also a great daily cleaning task for anybody that gets surprise visitors. No need to run around and rush if somebody's coming over to visit to make sure your bathroom is acceptable. And also, when you're checking the bathroom for clutter, it's a lot less daunting when it's time to actually clean the bathroom. You're not going to burn up all your energy decluttering the space because that part's already done. You can really just go to your bathroom to do the cleaning of the bathroom, not decluttering. Daily task number 4, do a 5-minute pickup. And when Dana K. White says 5 minutes, she means 5 minutes. Don't exhaust yourself or burn yourself out with this task. Set a 5-minute timer and challenge yourself to see how much you can get done. What's even better is when you involve family and everybody gets as much done in 5 minutes as possible. A daily 5-minute pickup for a family of 4 turns into a daily 20-minute pickup. And everybody can try to race and compete each other, but still keep it within that 5 minutes. I bet you can get a lot done. Dana K. White's way of thinking about cleaning really aligns with my thought process. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.